This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you have your Apple ID and current password. That speeds verification. On iPhone, open Settings Your Name, or on a browser, go to Appleid. Apple. Com and sign in. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication prompts will reach a trusted device or phone number. This is why you need the device handy. If you can't sign in, pause and recover the account, otherwise continue to the password change area described next. You now open Password and Security and choose Change Password. This is where the actual update happens. On an iPhone, you'll be asked for the device passcode to prove ownership, so enter it when prompted. Next, type a new strong password that's unique, at least 8 characters with letters, numbers, and a symbol. This reduces risk. After confirming the new password, tap Change or Save. Once done, your Apple ID immediately uses the new credentials across services. Once changed, update the password on each device and in apps like iCloud, Mail, and App Store to prevent repeated prompts. You may need to sign out and sign back in for some services. Do that calmly and check Keychain or Password Manager entries. If you encounter a lockout or forgot the old password, begin account recovery immediately or use a trusted phone number. If two-factor fails, follow Apple's recovery steps. This single tip will rescue access when normal sign-in fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.